What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some brand new 1/64 scale NASCAR diecast to get into. We're going to take them out one at a time, see what we got, and let's get into it right here, right now. We got first one showing there behind the packing penis. Let me get those out of the way. Move the box and the packing penis. So the first one that we saw, Chris Buescher, number 17 bodyguard Ford for the 2026 season. Pretty good looking ride here. A scheme that makes its way around every year to the RFK cars, but that doesn't make it any less good looking here with that beautiful orange and black. Can't go wrong with that. Next up, we've got Ryan Blaney, number 12, another Ford. Menards, number 12, which of course Menards also makes its way around a few different cars, but the hood is always some random scheme, random sponsor. I'll tell you, my favorite is when Austin Cindric runs the number 2 Menards and Quaker States on the hood, the yellow and green. But this is Menards and Delta for Blaney. Next up, see what we got. We got William Byron's number 24 Cincinnati Chevrolet for 2026. Should be getting super close to the 2025 Fall Martinsville Cincinnati win from where he won the playoff race in this sponsor scheme. That'll be a good looking car. I have to get that. Race I was at, of course, as always with the Martinsville races, and I'm gonna try to get that when it comes out for sure. But we'll stick with William Byron because we've got his number 24 All-Pro Chevrolet 2026 for Hendrick Motorsports, which right now Hendrick Motorsports is the complete opposite of an all-pro team, sadly. But while they're both here, we got the two Byrons, who is outside the top 10 in points with 0 wins on the season. But hey, pretty comfy as far as making the chase, but not comfy overall. Next up, we've got Shane Van Gisbergen, 2025 Charlotte Roval win, WeatherTech number 88. So pretty cool, pretty beat up as far as rubber goes and dirt on a white scheme. Of course, they got the pink window net on the 1/64. And the confetti looks good. So everybody say goodbye to the Charlotte Roval. We'll be back on the oval, thank goodness. But a cool race version here to go out on. SVG getting it done at the Roval. Next, we're going to end off on 2 trucks, spoiler alert. First truck, Lane Riggs, 34 Loves for front row in his 2026 Ford F-150. Lane Riggs, one of the best in the truck series for sure this season and previous seasons, but for sure this season. And then next up, another truck, Jimmie Johnson, number 1 for Tricon Garage Carvana Toyota Tundra. That raced at San Diego Naval Base, of course. Had a really good showing until he ran into trouble, but that is basically what the truck series is nowadays. But pretty cool to get. I mean, if you told somebody 5 years ago that you'd be getting a 2026 Jimmie Johnson Toyota truck. That would sound super crazy. But here we are. And it's super cool to get. So we got 2 trucks here. And then 3 more diecasts to show that I got earlier this week. Unboxed these on a short because it was just 3 diecasts. But first one was Daniel Suarez. The thank you, Daniel, for freeway.com from last season, 2025. Then I got the Brennan Poole for Alpha Prime Racing, number 44, Members First Chevrolet for the O'Reilly series. And then Chase Elliott's 2026 Kelly Blue Book, which I said in the short is a little bit different. A lot more of the darker blue compared to the baby blue. So pretty cool. This is one of those schemes that has not seen the track yet, but we're getting the diecast, so that's cool. When it actually shows up on track. I think it only gets 2 races this season, and I'm not sure which 2 they are, but I'm pretty sure one of them's the playoff Kansas race, just like it was last season, but not sure the other one. But that'll do it for this unboxing. Let's get those 3 out from earlier this week, and then we got the new stuff today, the 2 William Byrons and the 2 trucks. We got the Blaney, we got the Busher, and we got the race-winning Roval SVG. So, as always, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and thanks for checking this one out. I will catch you in the next one.